What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. We're here with another video, and today we have a second car of the Star Wars series that I bought. And this is the Ford Transit Supervan. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, and this is actually the other video that I did. The link will be in the description, and you can also find it right there. But yeah, so today the focus is not that. The focus is the Ford Transit Supervan, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing, and then I'm gonna show you the car. I think this, like I say with most of my cars, I think this is also an amazing vehicle. I'm super amped. I mean, I'm always super amped, but no, this car, it's a nice car. It's very bulky, very chubby. So yeah, the six cars in this. So I've already done the Silverado, I'm sorry, and then the Ford Transit is done as well. So today we have this, and yeah, so I'm just gonna do a quick show of the entire vehicle, and then I hope you guys enjoy the video. So yeah, right off the bat, I mean, it's a very nice vehicle. The fitting is really nice, and then the base looks amazing as well. I mean, it's very simple. Here at the back you can see the door handles as well, so very little nifty details. Door handles, and then of course the quad exhaust right there, very nice, amazing. And the wheels, they don't really spin well, unfortunately. Yeah, but the decal is nice as well. And then if you just have a look at the base of the vehicle, like I mentioned, a simple silver finish, really nice. Let me just try to see if you guys can look. I don't think you can see it's shiny. Anyways, yeah, the wheels, like I mentioned, they don't really spin that well. Kind of disappointing, but I guess that's an issue with real riders. So yeah, so let me just zoom in a little so you guys can see it, focus a bit more closely. Yeah, so this is the other vehicle that like I mentioned, I did an unboxing of, and we'll also show you that snippets of that in a while. But yeah, this car really looks nice. Honestly, it drives really nice as well, and the red line tires as well, really nice, very nice. Recently I've actually decided to move on, from main lines to more of these real riders, the Hot Wheels premiums, because I think they have this extra flair in them, which I think is really amazing. I'm a huge fan. So yeah, I'm just gonna look around the car a little bit more. So there's the door handles that I mentioned. Imagine you could actually open them up, which is something maybe the RLCs have, but not this in particular. So we're just gonna walk through, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. And just like that, guys, we're here almost at the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. Actually, had an amazing time unboxing these vehicles. It's a rather short and sweet vehicle, but just like that, guys, don't forget to check out my social media. The link will be in the description below. But just like that, guys, this video is over, and I'm out. Bye.